Hi, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today we're going to start off with a multiple choice poetry puzzle. Stick grabber, tail wagger, tree peer. Am I talking about a car, a penguin or a dog? It was C, dog. Let's go again. Earth shaker, magma maker, lava blaster. Am I talking about an earthquake, a volcano, or a cannon? It was a volcano. Now, all of those little 2 or 3 word phrases are called kennings. It's a poetic way to describe something without actually naming that thing. Some kennings are slightly harder to work out than others, a bit like a puzzle or a riddle. And some actually make us look at a thing differently because of how they describe it. Let's see how you get on with this one. Lobster house, whale road, frothing beer of the coastline. Was I talking about a cliff, a cage, or the sea? It was C, the sea. So now that you know a bit more about kennings, you've heard a few of them, it's time for your poetry challenge, which is to write a 3 or 4 line poem about an object or an animal that you choose using only kennings. I'm going to put a few notes up on the screen in a moment, but first, as a quick example, if I was going to write one about a penguin, I might start off by thinking about what it looks like, what it does, where does it live. So for a penguin, it's black and white, it's got wings. I think they live in the Arctic or definitely somewhere icy and cold. I reckon I've seen them sitting on eggs to keep them warm. I think they get attacked by sharks. They can't fly, but they are very good at swimming. So from that little bundle of information, I could start to put together a few simple kennings like ice waddler, wing waggler, shark dodger, black-backed super swimmer, white-bellied egg sitter. So for those last ones, I was adding a little bit more detail in there. If you want to do that, that's fine. If not, keep it simple, that's all good too. Once you start to arrange them kind of 3 or 4, one after the other, they're going to sound absolutely awesome. So, pause the video now to have a go at writing your Kennings poem and then hit play when you're done. Awesome, well done. Now that you've written your poem, perhaps you could read it to someone, a friend or another group. Can they guess what you have written your kennings about? I'd love to read your poems too. Please do whack them up in the comments underneath the video. Thanks for watching. Hiya, if you enjoyed that, I also run live workshops online. They're a bit like these videos, but you can ask questions as we go. You can also share your poem with me or the other young people in the session. The link to sign up for free is in the description.
You can write with Simon Mole.